Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to request a backup of your ACT database in ACT Premium Cloud. Now there's something I want you to know about this database. When you request a backup, it comes to you as what's called a zip file. That zip file is something that you really don't have the ability to work with unless you have the installed ACT desktop software. On that note, if you create a backup and you find at some point in the future you need it, most likely what you're going to be able to do is download ACT desktop software. It comes as a free trial, and then open your database. So there is a path to doing that. So you're not left in a situation where you can't access your data. But because it is an ACT database, you're going to have to take that step. And if you have any confusion about that, please reach out to me. There's some other ways you can back up your data that are not going to be addressed in this video, but please reach out to me if you have questions or concerns about that. Okay, so how do you request a backup? Well, when you're in ACT, you're going to go up to the little person icon or people icon up in the top right corner, click on it, and when you come into this area, you're going to notice that there's something called My Account. I'm going to click on that. When you come into this area, there's a couple things you're going to see. You're going to see some billing information and also some account information. So at this point, you can click on support. When you click on support, all you're going to do is say, please send me a backup. And really, you don't have to do anything else. And again, I mistyped that, and there's a couple fields here that you might have to fill in. You hit submit, they don't even need your information because they know who you are, and you're really good to go. That's all you have to do. You click submit, give it about 24 hours and you should get a backup, and if you don't, you might want to call them or reach back, but my experience is that you'll get a backup. Okay, my friends, that's how you do it. Pretty easy. Thank you. Bye now.